ॐ सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Namaste. Do unto others as you would wish them to do unto you. This is the 10th principle of human relation. Now this is the fundamental. This is the foundation. And all the other 9 principles succeed if the understanding is very clear. Okay. That is one. Now, a lot of people used to tell, smiling is very difficult. And some of the students, they always say, sir, 2 things I am finding it difficult. One is, smiling and also relaxing. Unfortunately, what happens? Both of them are very powerful and it has to be done. Okay. Now, try to understand why you should smile. Now, there are 2 things. I can frown and smile. The choice is to me, isn't it? So, when I smile, okay, the movement of the muscles are minimum. And suppose I am getting angry and frown, that means there is a lot of, movement of the muscles, which creates the tension. So you have to understand, if I want to be happy, so I have no choice. I have to use my lesser muscles to act. Okay, that is one. See, this particular session is a travel from me to we. This travel from me to we makes all the difference. So, we already discussed that there is an interaction between myself and the outside world. So, we need all the 10 principles. Okay, the journey, the beautiful relationship is a journey between me and we. So, you should not be a I specialist. Not I specialist, that I, the big I. You should not be a specialist. That means you have to graduate from the I to we. Okay, me and we is the beautiful journey. If you are able to understand, it is excellent. Okay, see, when I heard about this particular smile long time back, so many decades back, I made a kind of a vow or a kind of a oath or a rhythm saying that let my smile change people and ambience. Let my smile change people and ambience, but I don't let the people and ambience change my smile. Let people do whatever they want. So I'll keep my key with myself. Okay. So it's a very powerful, right? That means wherever I am interacting with the people, okay, now I will make sure that my smile change the people and the ambience. But I will not allow the other people to make my smile. That means I will always be smiling. Why? Because I want to be happy. Right? It's as simple as that. If you want to be happy, there is no other way. Okay, that is one. Now, why should you smile? Isn't it? Why should I smile? See, a lot of people will always, have a kind of the frowning, the look. Right? According to me, why should you smile? Because I want to be happy. Right? As simple as that. Now, you don't have to know the language at all. Wherever you are, whichever country you are there, okay, see the language is very simple. There is a universal language. Now, when you are talking to people, you are giving an invitation saying that I am available for interaction. That means they will always come and try to talk to you. In other words, I will try to create a kind of ambience so that people will be very comfortable to talk to me. Okay, and it is an excellent way to start the conversation. Just smile. Isn't it? Doesn't cost much. It also diffuses the tension. That means a humor or any kind of a smile, it really brings down the tension. So that is why we say that why should you smile? Why? Not because somebody is happy, because you want to be happy. That means you are creating a kind of a zone of comfort so that people can come and talk to you. Okay, the moment you go to your organization, if everybody is smiling, then you have a fantastic the ambience. You always feel, oh God, there is a beautiful vibration. The first time when I went to Japan, I was amazed. The ladies, they will say hi, 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 keep on smiling, isn't it? And over a period of time, you also get infected, isn't it? It's a contagious. So you can be a carrier of contagious smile. You must be a carrier of a contagious smile, but not the corona. Okay, now that means one. Now, when we talk about this smile, it is a gift given to the human being. So animals cannot smile. Now, if you want to prove that you are a human being, but keep smiling, right? It makes a lot of difference in the ambience. Just imagine you go to a particular place or a house or any club or whatever it is, and everybody is having a lot of smile and laughter and other thing. See, there is a tremendous amount of positive energy. Okay, that means it is a gift given only to the human being, not to animals. To make sure that you are not animal, so better keep on smiling. Okay, and it is a universal language. Wherever you go, it's a universal language. Now, the most important thing on this particular one is create a positive stroke. See, what do you mean by positive stroke? Suppose I meet a person, right? I smile, and he feels, oh God, yes, this man is willing to talk to me. That means you are creating a kind of a zone of comfort, right? You always feel, yes, you may respect the person, but you have a tremendous of easiness in interacting with the people also. And also, see, the smile is the index of the mind, right? Okay, the other one also, the animals cannot, smile. Now, there is one more thing. There are a lot of people smile not because they are very happy. Please understand, I know some other people all keep on smiling not because they are happy, but they want to say, yes, I am very courageous, I am very strong, nobody can shake me. Okay, so this is the purpose of this particular the principle. Now, with all these problems, see, everybody has got a problem. See, according to my own interaction with the people, so people don't know when they are going to get the next meals, but they are already happy. There are some people who have got the wealth for the next 7 generation, and they will always be unhappy, and they will always be thinking about so many things, and they are not completely relaxed. Now, the question is, we have got only one life, knowingly. Now, why don't you make it as a happiest life. See, one of the things is that you must try to keep on smiling. Now, suppose you are not able to do it. That is your Subhava. Then what is that you can do? That means you can fake it. What do you mean by fake it? Make it a kind of an artificial smile. No, I cannot smile. Okay. And I have not seen the teeth of so many people. Why? They don't want to smile. And they always want to be serious. They always feel, yes, okay, unless otherwise you are very serious, you cannot get things done. No. See, you are able to have a kind of a smile which will create a kind of a lot of positive energy. And the people would love to talk to you. Okay, they will always try to come and tell you, that share their happiness, problem and all the other areas. So that is the advantage of this particular one. Now, as far as I am concerned, okay, see, I have taken an oath. Let me be any problem. I will make sure that my presence will make the people and the ambience will change. But I will never make anybody else to make me to drop my smile. I think if you are able to do it, I think it is fantastic. Now I don't have to talk too much about it. You can do it. And if you are not able to do it, that means, fake it and make it. Initially it will be artificial. So over a period of time, that means it will become a natural. And you will be able to enjoy. And people also will be able to have a kind of a ambience in your presence. Take care. All the best. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.